Today on Southern Accent Foods, it's bacon-wrapped green beans. Sweet and savory, they're a good way to get the kids to eat something green. Best of all, bacon. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, that's about 205 degrees Celsius. Get 8 strips of bacon onto a parchment-lined sheet pan and get them into the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes. You just want them to be partially cooked and pliable. Get yourself some green beans and trim or snap the ends if necessary. These came pre-trimmed, so there was no penalty before the snap. Bring a large pot of water to a boil, and while it comes up, get a large bowl and fill it up with ice water. Salt the water and add your green beans. Now you know how I feel about boiling things, but in this case, it's okay. If you've been enjoying my videos, click that like button for me. Also, have a look at my website, southernaccentfoods.com. You can download and print my recipes and sign up for a weekly recipe email. After 3 to 4 minutes, get the beans into the ice water. This will shock them and stop the cooking. Blanching the beans like this will also help them keep their bright, verdant glory. Dry them off and we're ready to assemble. Get a new sheet of parchment paper and lay out 1 strip of bacon. Get a handful of green beans, whatever you think is an appropriate serving, and just roll them up. I've seen recipes for this where they cut the bacon in half, but I reject and denounce that kind of abuse. Every bacon is important. Situate the bundles on the sheet pan and get them into the oven until the bacon goes nice and crispy. While the bundles cook, we'll make our quick glaze. Get some dark brown sugar into a small saucepan over low heat. Stir in just a little bit of pineapple juice or orange juice and heat until the sugar melts. Get the bundles out of the oven and brush them with the glaze. You can spice the glaze up with some cayenne if you'd like, and a little bit of hot sauce drizzled over top would be perfectly appropriate here as well. And we're ready to eat. Try these green beans as a side dish for your next family meal. If you're into the sweet and savory thing, you're going to love these. Plus, bacon. If you'd like another easy side dish recipe, click on this video right here.